Hi friends, let me teach you how to seamlessly finish your horsehair braid. I am picky. First off, press down the horsehair braid by 2 inches. It is easier this way. Next, trim it down to 0.5 or 0.75 as desired. Next, fix it in like you see me do to secure it. Ensure that you fix it in properly. Next, take it to the sewing machine and sew up right round. Ensure to use a matching thread as it makes your work neater. So I'm just going to continue to sew up like this. If you find this video helpful, please do well to subscribe, like and share to others so they can benefit. Once you are done sewing, trim off excess thread. Now look at how smooth this feels. Method 2. Cut out 2 inches strip of fabric, fold it and place it side by side with the horsehair braid. Remember that this is also called a crinoline, depending on what you know it for. So here I'm cutting out 2 inches strip of fabric. I've placed my horsehair braid side by side. I'm going to fold my strip of fabric in, making it 1 inch. I'll place it on the horsehair braid and I'm going to sew on 1/2 inch. Okay, after sewing on 1/2 inch, I'm going to trim off excess fabric and I'm also going to trim off down to 0.25. Please, if you are using a fabric that frays, you are not going to trim entirely at the top and bottom. You're going to leave like 1/2 inch that you can weave, okay, except your fabric is not fraying. That is when you will cut like the way I cut in the video. But because this is a tutorial, my fabric frays, but I'm not using this for anything serious, just for tutorial sake, so I just cut it down. Can you see? But if your fabric is fraying, please leave 1/2 inch for weaving. Next, spread out your horsehair braid like this, folding this fabric towards this side. Can you see? And then you sew it down right round again and you have another seamless finish. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to like and please share to others so that they can learn just like you have benefited from the video. Thanks for watching. See you on our next one. Bye. I will allow you now to watch the rest of the video.